Sick leave in the UK, can you really fake it? Hello mga baghak! Welcome to our Historia Kuris Kuris series where I talk about my truth, my whole truth, and nothing but the truth. A little backstory, today is day 26 of my sick leave due to a knee injury from skiing. So how does it work here in the UK? You can self-certify for the first 7 days. You just call in sick and update your manager every day. That's it. No proof. No drama. If you're still unwell, inform your GP and you'll be issued a sick note and you still get paid. Statutory sick pay, or what they call SSP here, can last up to 28 weeks. Back home where most nurses are job hire, hindi pwede. Kay no work, no pay. Filipinos are stereotyped as hardworking, but the reality is that we can't afford to get sick. Diin kakakita ga duty pero may IV line. Can you fake it? Yes. But as a Filipina, is it just me or do most of us feel guilty when calling in sick? Try to fake it until you talk to a senior Filipino and you end up being well. Kaya bisan lain papamatsyag mo, ma-okay ka na lang tungod sa kakulba. It's cultural. At the end of the day, if you're sick, please don't go to work. You are dispensable. Hindi na malupog ang unit nyo kung hindi ka mag-duty. You are putting yourself and your patients at risk. Bagong bayani, matutong magpahinga para hindi matuluyan. Adios!